In this video, I'm going to explain how to get relics in a Rise crossover in Roblox. So, in case you aren't familiar, this is actually a new update where you can now get relics. And basically, relics will grant you passive buffs and drop from the following places. Now, you can get them from all timed events. So, these are dungeons, castle, and dew, okay? So, the easiest of these, of course, are dungeons. So, make sure you go ahead and do some dungeons because those relics can drop over there quite easily. And then there's 5 different relics and they also have different buffs. So let me just let you know what these do. Now the first one is called shadow damage, and it basically boosts your shadow damage and is actually quite OP. I've been able to test it out and it's quite good. Now the second one is shadow level. Now what shadow level does is it raises all your shadows to a level but doesn't basically rise cap. Okay, so this is very important. It will just raise all your shadows to a level. However, it doesn't rise cap, so that's actually very important. Now the third one is called drop chance. So like loot aspect, it increases the drop chance. And then the fourth one is arise luck, which will basically boost luck when using arise, like I just did, as you were able to see, but I wasn't really able to arise them. And then the fifth one is called weapon damage, which will basically boost weapon strength. Now what's also very important is that each relic will come with a random rank, and the ranks are from E to SS, and then SS has a 120% effect, while A is intended base stuff, okay? Now, the better the rank, the better the effect, of course, which makes sense. So, that's pretty much it. That's how to get them. I would recommend doing dungeons, but all timed events will drop you those relics. So, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.